Hillary Clinton urges Kamala Harris to break the glass ceiling. In the opening night of the Democratic National Convention in Chicago, Hillary Clinton urged Kamala Harris to break the glass ceiling and become the first woman president of the United States. Clinton reflected on her historic 2016 presidential run, stating, "When a barrier falls for one of us, it clears the way for all of us." While Clinton's bid ended in defeat, she expressed hope for Harris' success, saying, "On the other side of that glass ceiling is Kamala Harris raising her hand and taking the oath of office as our 47th president." Women politicians and delegates noted the progress since 2016, although challenges remain. Unlike Clinton, Harris has notably avoided focusing her campaign on gender. Analysts question whether the political landscape has evolved enough for Harris to achieve the nation's top office.
Supermoon illuminates global night skies. The first of this year's 4 supermoons lit up the night skies worldwide. In some regions, including North America, the supermoon appeared red due to wildfire smoke, which scatters light to highlight orange and red hues. This supermoon is also a blue moon, a rare phenomenon that inspired the phrase, "once in a blue moon." Upcoming supermoons are expected in September, October, which will feature the closest moon this year, and November.
Wall Street soars as U.S. stocks hit new high amid strong trading, dollar weakness, and rising gold prices. In a surprising turn, Wall Street sees strong trading, propelling U.S. stocks outside the Magnificent Seven to a record high, despite a weak dollar. This coincides with the Democratic Convention in Chicago, where political stakes are high. The dollar is at a year low, partly due to unwinding yen carry trade and declining bond yields. Simultaneously, gold prices have hit an all-time high at $2,500 per ounce, driven by demand from China. These dynamics also highlight the strong inflation-adjusted dollar and the complete recovery of markets outside heavily hyped tech giants. Additionally, deal-making shows signs of resurgence with Mars Inc.'s $36 billion acquisition of Kellanova. The political scene heats up with the potential for a Democratic sweep in the upcoming elections, influencing market sentiment amid Vice President Kamala Harris' candidacy.
Tencent-Backed, Wukong, sets gaming record with 1.3 million players on launch day. In an unprecedented first-day performance, Black Myth, Wukong, a Chinese-made action-adventure game backed by Tencent Holdings Limited, reached over 1.3 million concurrent players on Steam, surpassing records set by titles like Cyberpunk 2077 and Elden Ring. This swift rise makes it the 4th most played game on the platform, according to SteamDB. Developed by Hangzhou-based Game Science and published domestically by Tencent's WeGame platform, Wukong is notable for being a big-budget PC console blockbuster, unlike many other successful Chinese mobile games. Critics have rated it highly, with IGN China scoring it a perfect 10 ahead of its launch. This achievement could signal a positive turn for China's $40 billion gaming market amidst ongoing regulatory scrutiny.
AMD to acquire ZT Systems for $4.9 billion to rival Nvidia. Advanced Micro Devices Inc., AMD, has announced a $4.9 billion cash and stock acquisition of server maker ZT Systems, based in Secaucus, New Jersey. This strategic move aims to enhance AMD's data center technology and bolster its position against AI leader Nvidia Corp. ZT Systems will integrate into AMD's Data Center Solutions business group, with the retention of its design and customer teams. Notably, the purchase price includes a contingent payment of $400 million based on achieving certain milestones. This acquisition is a significant step as AMD intensifies its push in the AI and data center market.
Apple to manufacture first iPhone Pro models in India this year. Apple Inc. is set to produce its most expensive iPhone Pro and Pro Max models in India for the first time this year. Foxconn Technology Group, a key partner, will begin assembling the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max in its southern Tamil Nadu factory within weeks of their global launch this fall. This initiative is part of Apple's strategy to diversify production beyond China. Thousands of workers are being trained in preparation for immediate production post-launch. This development marks a significant milestone for both Apple and India's manufacturing sector.